In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Skyblock in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase a method that allows you to play Skyblock on any platform on Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So for this particular method, you need to access the marketplace. This is what makes it available for any platform. So I am doing this on PC, but you will be able to follow along even if you are on a PlayStation console, Xbox console, Nintendo Switch, and so on. Inside of the marketplace, we can look for Skyblock. The difficulty here is that there are a lot of Skyblock options to choose from. Some people prefer the classic style where it's only an island, only a chest, and not too many things around. And as you can see, this is a good option. It features only this island and some other ones in the distance. It has a chest with all of the starting items that you need to make something like a cobblestone generator, and you will be good to go. While other Skyblocks available here are going to be much more customized. As you can see, this one has lucky blocks all around, so it is an option if you want to spice things up. You can sort them by various different things such as relevance, the newest ones posted, price, rating, and so on. Rating by highest rating here, we can see that this is the most popular one, Random Chunks Skyblock. At the end of the day, it's up to you to choose which one you want, and once you find one and you download or you buy it from the marketplace, it will be available for you to play on any Minecraft Bedrock in any platform. So look for Skyblock on the marketplace and you will be able to play it. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.